Hey guys, it's Katie from Cerebrium Studio, and today I'm going to show you how you can use process automation to create videos in multiple aspect ratios. Cerebrium Studio's technology takes the many complex steps of production and post-production and makes it as easy as a few clicks. I'm going to show you a quick demo of exactly how you can do this using Cerebrium's online video editor. You can open up your browser and search Cerebrium and go to cerebrium.com. Then you can log into your account. You can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrium, so don't worry about this at all, as you can test out the software first. You then upload the video that you would like to transform into multiple aspect ratios. There are 3 process automation steps that this editor can be segmented into. So the first step is composing and creating. So basically what this means is selecting all the video that you want and the specific aspect ratios that you want. So as you can see from the screen I'm on here, by using the purple box cropper tool, you can select how much of your video you would like to edit and take through to the video editing page with you. So with this particular editor, you can use it to create multiple aspect ratios for your social media channels. So you can essentially upload one video in any aspect ratio and the software will create multiple different aspect ratios, all of which are appropriate for any social media channel, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, so on. And none of the quality or content of the video will be lost. So content creators can save a lot of time and repurpose their content using this tool without spending any extra time editing. So once you've selected how you would like your video to look using the cropper tool and the aspect ratio or ratios that you would like the video to be in, simply click on Make at the top right once you're happy. The second step is to efficiently edit these aspect ratios that were created in the previous step. Whatever edit is applied to one aspect ratio will also be applied to others that you've created too. So you can add your own audio here. And this can be music, this can be a voiceover, this can be any type of audio that you like. It's really simple and easy to do on the editing page. You can also add your text like so, which again, very easy, very simple and basic tool, but it will allow you to make a much more dynamic and engaging video. You can also crop your video. Again, like so, very easy to do on the video editing page. So all of these changes that you make within this video editor will automatically be applied to the other aspect ratios that you've created. So you don't need to waste time doing the same thing over and over for each different aspect ratio. It's automatically applied for you. So this is the second step, to effectively edit all these aspect ratios. And then the third and final step in this process automation is, once you're happy with the edit that you've made to your previous video, you simply click on preview in the upper right hand corner here, and you're then taken to this final page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, and it will be emailed directly to the email associated with your Cerebrium account. Our rendering engine sets the technical specifications for your target platform automatically, so that you don't need to do it for yourself. You can simply download them in a click and the videos are ready to go. Obviously, Cerebrium does offer a 2-week free trial, so I would definitely encourage you to check out the free trial. I'll leave all the links that you need down below. You can just click through to the website, have a look at the software, let us know what your thoughts are, let us know if you have any questions whatsoever, and I hope this was helpful for you guys. I will see you in the next one.